Hi all. I'm gonna go back to vlogging sa YouTube. Wala lang. Medyo ang daming tao dun sa TikTok. So I'm going back to YouTube and I'll try to post everyday vlogs starting today. It's a Monday. It's May 25. So right now, work from home muna tayo. Tapos mamaya, punta tayong gym mamayang hapon after I send my email. Yun lang. I just had coffee para kumalma yung tiyan ko. Tapos isang perasong chocolate. Pero yung coffee ko, may laman siyang Milo. Pero konting calories lang yun. Wala pa akong kinakain. Ibababa ko muna lahat ng mga nakain ko from this past weekend. That's all. Later. Nag-aircon na ako. Sobrang init. Aircon. You made of me. I followed the voice you gave to me. But now I gotta find my own. You should have listened. Seems to be heard. They will not be pushed aside and turned into your own. All 'cause you won't listen. Listen. I am alone at a crossroads. I'm not at home in my own home. And I try to say what's on my mind. You should have known. Oh. Okay, so tapos na ako sa dance class. Kaya nga, yun yung coach namin. Si Coach Lale. Dito siya sa Complex every Monday, Thursday. Ayun, thank you. Yun na yung vlog ko.
Di ba 3 minutes yun?
Hindi, mga 5, ganyan.